Hello. Welcome to the technical analysis of Nebius-Group. Nebius-Group is pushing sharply higher. Breakout energy seems to be building. Today, the stock has gained by 7.9%, and the 30-day trend points to an uptrend. Price is above the 9, 50, and 200-day EMAs, confirming a strong uptrend across timeframes. There is an upward gap between $117.90 and $119.35 that is still open. A full gap fill would imply roughly a 24.6% pullback from current levels. Price has broken above the falling trend line near $136.33. Buyers still need follow-through to confirm a trend reversal. A rising trend line continues to act as support near $94.42. Short-term, a rising regression channel provides support near $108.83. As long as price holds above this band, the immediate uptrend remains intact. A decisive daily close below this level would be an early warning that momentum is starting to turn down. If current momentum continues, a measured move points toward a long-term objective near $163.22. The long-term roadmap is active, with 4 of 4 key confirmations in place, including downtrend break, prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed, EMA 200 reclaimed. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 42 to 78 sessions, or roughly 12.0 weeks. Invalidation sits near $89.65 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is building. Both MACD and RSI are confirming the current strength. RSI is in overbought territory, so some caution is warranted here. In a similar MACD cycle between January 27 and February 10, the price saw an increase of around 57.1%. From a long-term perspective, price is now trading above the long-term resistance zone, which makes a continuation of the trend more likely. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has broken above the short-term channel, signaling firm bullish momentum. If this breakout can hold, a reasonable upside projection sits near 156.4. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading above the 23%, 141.57 Fibonacci retracement level, and the 38% level around 130.48 above. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 180.16, Fib 1.27, and then 206.45, Fib 1.62. Technical analysis update. Looking at Nebius-Group today, conditions are reading as bullish overall. Price is currently above the medium-term moving averages, which anchors the broader trend bias. The main tactical trigger to watch is a daily close above $160. A daily close above $160 with MACD confirmation would argue for a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, this roadmap starts to weaken on a sustained break below $89.65. Momentum and participation add context to that roadmap. RSI is currently around 73.5, and MACD is above its signal line, pointing to building strength in the current swing. Volume is running close to its 20-day average, and volatility via ATR is relatively stable. On the near-term map, the key reference levels include near-term resistance around $160, support near $142. In the bigger picture, the long-term measured move objective sits near $163. If the broader trend can stay intact, an upside roadmap to monitor is $163 as the long-term measured move objective, $191 as a 1.618 extension, $236 as a 2.618 extension. Overall, the coming sessions should reveal whether this roadmap can stay on track or transition into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for Nebius-Group. The most recent headline is, NBIS stock tests rally after report flags acquisition talks with an Israeli startup once eyed by Nvidia. Too far, too fast? Nebius NBIS gets downgraded after monster run. Coin Central, 3 hours ago. Overbought, says analyst, as Nebius stock NBIS rally triggers downgrade. That wraps up this technical analysis on Nebius-Group. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.